Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another amazing unboxing video. Today we have got this Realme Buds Q, which have got a great competition in the market out there for TWS earphones in a budget phone. So let's get started and unbox this future filled Realme Buds. So let's unbox this by cutting out the plaster given the bottom side of this box. Here we go. With ease, right? Yes, now that we have cut off the plaster, let's unbox this thing. Here we go, getting our first glance at the Realme Buds Q, unboxing it, and boom, here we go. We have got the case of the Realme Buds Q, which has got a standby charging and also work as power bank for our Buds Q. Let's put that aside. Bottom of the box we have got something else. Let's see what we have got. We have got a micro USB charging cable for our buds, and also the rubber sizes which may cover your ears, which may fit you comfortably as per your size and comfort. So let's keep them aside. Now let's take out this thing, this plaster. This is the Realme Buds Q. This feels absolutely phenomenal in hands, soft, rounded from the sides, and nothing else. Let's remove this plastic film. Here we go. For the first time, Realme Buds, we have got it. Had to change the background as this black is very dominating, and this is the case, guys. This has got a pod like pebble like design with branded Realme on it. This pod has got 400 mAh battery, which is standby. Once you charge this up, you can use it anywhere you have the charge on the go. Whenever you keep back your pods in it, they'll get automatically start charging. So now let's get for the pods. Are you ready to feel these amazing pods? Realme Buds Q, here we go. These are kept amazing in these pods. These are just looking amazing with a feel. It's just amazing. You see over here, this is got a glossy finish placeholders for these buds. And let's remove the other one. That's the glossy finish you need. That's the shine you need in your life. So this has a fully functional pod which has got good hinge over here which closes good, reliable hinge, reliable. So this comes with built-in charger. Here we have got gold plated charging spots with which you can charge on the go when you use this pod. So let's keep this aside, and we have got the buds over here. Let's remove this plastic film from here, and here we go. These buds are tailor made for the Beats one. This has got a 10 mm bass boosted drivers for bass boosted lovers. This has got a Realme branding and a glossy finish over the matte finish hole over the bud. This is the place where the charging pin sets over, and this is the output which goes into your ear. This earbud has also got the super low latency mode of 119 milliseconds for gaming mode. I know, let's test the gaming mode, how it goes. So guys, now we are gonna pair our Realme Buds Q with our Realme smartphone. So it's just simple, just click on Realme Link app and register your account through your mobile number and keep a password, and click on this plus icon, and it's already started scanning for nearby devices, and you can see our Realme Buds Q here. If you don't see a device, you're gonna go to audio and you're gonna select your Realme Buds Q and follow these instructions. But I have got my Realme Buds Q over here, so let's tap and pay now. So it's just quite a couple of seconds of time just to get paid with your Realme Buds Q. We have got connected. We have got the battery percentage over here. We can now remove the buds out of the box, I suppose. Yes. We have got the battery percentages for the respective sides. We have got the left side and the right side. If you could see the instructions over here, we have got the shortcuts Like, yeah, we have got the shortcuts to double tap, triple tap, touch and hold, and double tap, triple tap, and you can also customize these shortcuts as per your comfort. So now let's test the Realme low latency gaming mode and the bass boosted drivers of these or you can just go to your TWS earphones and just touch the surface for 2 seconds and you hear an engine sound which gives you notification that the gaming mode is on. Start. Now what I'm gonna do to test this device is that I'm gonna put down your microphone and make you hear from the other earbud. The left one is in my ear and the right one will be near to your mic so that you can see how the latency is exactly, as this will be a real-time test of these earphones. So I hope you can now hear the music from the game. If you couldn't, sorry, this test failed. So like these are the best in this competition now, as there are also Redmi Buds S in this competition, but they are quite they have quite more latency at this price point, and this has got low latency and is best for gamers at this price point. So I have now turned on the low latency mode. Now let's see the difference between both of them. Let's keep it here and let's now tap. There isn't probably not there much latency, if you can observe or if you can see. It's quite okay to be at this price point, and it's good at this price point. You can enjoy your gaming with every mode. Like I have, see, this is how I have tested the microphone and earbuds at the same time by keeping like this is the real time test. So now let's check the bass boosted drivers now. For bass booster testing, I have got this Trap City non-copyright music on the earphones, and that's amazing phenomenal noise cancelling feature in this Realme Buds. Gives you surround music and bass boosted noise with 10 mm drivers which it comes. It's just amazing at this price point.